you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This video is sponsored by Nadula Hair on Amazon. They did send me their 14-inch highlighted straight wig. As you can see, I did curl it. The color of this hair is really freaking nice. The hair is super soft. The lace did melted like bomb. It melted amazingly. As you can see here, the part is a fake scalp. Everything about this hair will be in the description box below. So with that being said, guys, let's go ahead and hop right into this tutorial. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is the box that the hair came in. It also came with a hair scarf and 2 stocking caps. This is the unit here. I did go ahead and wash the units. The inside, of course, is the fake scalp. It comes with 2 combs on each side, 1 comb in the back, and adjustable straps. First thing first, guys, we're gonna go ahead and style this unit. I am using a wax stick that I did purchase from our local beauty supply store, and I'm gonna go ahead and pluck the part to give it a more natural look. I was thinking curls, so we're going to go ahead and curl it, and we are going to pin the curls up until it is time to install the unit. So now I'm just going in and I am cutting the lace, and I am doing zigzag cuts. So now I'm just going in with my Eben lace tint spray to just tint the top of the closure. And then I will go in with my Got to Be Glued to seal in the tint. So for some reason the track was too far up on both sides of the closure, so what I did was I went ahead and just cut off that piece of track that was hanging on both sides.